love Wisconsin. It's a beautiful state, and it gets even better when they finally build a supercharger at the Midwest's largest tourist city, Wisconsin Dells, Wisconsin. It's also the water park capital of the world. The power finally went live on Tuesday this week. This is a 12 stall, let's count them, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 stall supercharger. Version 3, max speed 250 kilowatt charge rate. Non-shared power from stall to stall. 1 megawatt transformer. Liquid cooled lines. Ooh. Just feel that power surging. Hear those cooling fans ablazing. So we've covered this a couple times in videos, but now we have power. They took the shrouds off the stall, and we've just been waiting and waiting and waiting impatiently for them to flip the power on. Ooh, you can feel the heat getting picked off the bottom there. They still got landscaping to do, but the build-out teams are also working on, I believe, 3 other locations in Wisconsin. So Wisconsin's finally getting some love right now. Awesome sauce.